Good morning, YouTubers. Good afternoon if you're watching in the afternoon, but for me, it's good morning. Anyways, today is the raffle video day. Yes, I know I took a very long time to upload this video, but I was just really busy with stuff I was doing. I was doing the preparation for Toyota Fest. I had the coilovers thing, and then I had some personal stuff I had to take care of. So that's why I was a little slow on the whole video. But it's a Saturday. I'm not supposed to be here. I'm actually supposed to be at my job, my business, I guess you could call it, whatever. And I need to make this video because I promised people I was gonna upload it this week, and this week ends today. So I'm going to make the video today. Yes, I'm making it right now. We're right now on this website called YouTube Random Comment Picker. I guess a lot of YouTubers use this to pick a comment from the video, and I'm gonna give it a shot. This is actually gonna be my first time trying it. I've never used this before, so you're gonna watch it with me, and it's like you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So if you guys aren't following me, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Corololola. I upload small stories, maybe at least 5 times a day. I try to upload a couple of things just to keep you guys up to date to what's going on with me during the week. I know I don't upload as much as other YouTubers, where I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers upload daily uploads. It's like, God, how do you guys do that? It's like geez, like okay, I can understand some of them, that's their job, but like that's their income. But it's like some of these people, they're like uploading every day of the week, and it's like I don't want to start judging, because then I feel like people are gonna judge me. But content tends to slip, like the quality of the content tends to slip when you're doing daily uploads and you're just rushing to get that upload out. So that is why I do stories on my Instagram, just to, just to kind of be about the same thing, like a weekly upload. But technically my uploads is every Friday. I've been really consistent with my Friday uploads for a while now, so that's a really good sign. Got a couple of videos already backed up that are waiting to be uploaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle those probably today in the afternoon. But enough of me rambling, let's get to the video. So let me move this over here. Alright, sorry if the angle is a bit weird. Let's see if I can do this right. I'm trying to do this just so people can see, like, I'm not like bullshitting anyone. Like, I'm not doing this just because I'm trying to make views or subscribers. No, I'm actually gonna do it. So here's the video. This is the 500 plus subscriber raffle giveaway. We're gonna copy this, and it says to answer the URL, put it right here. We search it. So I guess I found unique commenters, 37 of them, and now we have to hit start. And you see how it's gonna pick a name. Let's see who it is. Mob Vaj. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Man, that sucks. I'm butchering people's name. But let's go see what he commented. Where are you at? Oh, right here. Congrats on 500 sub. Count me in on the raffle drawing on those Celica parts. It would be nice to have those parts on my Celica. I think he was the one who reminded me before of if I was gonna do the raffle video. I'm not too sure, but it probably is him. But yeah, you're the winner. Hit me up if you oh, I didn't even see that. There's this comment right there. I did not even see that crap. Okay, that's cool. This is a really cool website. So expect more uploads, or I guess not uploads. I guess expect another raffle. So here, let me move the camera back to me. Want to make this a continuous recording because I don't want people to be like, oh, this video's edited. Oh, you just want to give it to someone that lives close to you. No, this isn't edited. This isn't nothing. This is just gonna be a raw upload. Like, it's just gonna be a raw upload. All right, let's set that up. Okay, so it's probably Mob Vaj. Maybe a silent H. I don't know. Mob Vaj. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. I'm not great with names. I'm not really great with names. Sorry. Anyways, I don't think YouTube was saying that they're gonna discontinue the whole sending private messages through YouTube. So if you're following me on Instagram, go ahead and message me on Instagram, and I'll go ahead and get your information and your stuff and whatnot, and I'll go ahead and send you the Celica parts. And make sure to let me know if you have either an automatic or manual, so I can send you the sport pedals the correct way, because I have for manual and automatic, so they're different, obviously. But yeah, so go ahead and shoot me a message through Instagram. Let me know. And I did have an idea of giving away a steering wheel, the black Corolla red stitch 3-spoke steering wheel off the 2001-2002 Corolla S. I kind of want to give it away at 1,000 subscribers. I'm right now at 690, 689. I'm not too sure, but I think I'm gonna end up giving a steering wheel away. I find those at the junkyard quite often, and I know some of you guys have Celica GTs, and the GT doesn't have the leather steering wheel, so that would help you guys out a lot, actually. Gonna go ahead and maybe do it. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But I will make more raffle videos. I really enjoyed doing this. It's parts that I couldn't sell. Like I don't want to throw away. I know people out there want that hatch handle, the 03 hatch handle, and some people wanted the clear corner side markers or whatever they're called. So I will be making more raffle giveaways. Offer up and got a new message. Might be a new project car. Who knows? No, but I've been toying around with the idea of getting a 6th gen Celica and doing a 1MZ VVTi V6 swap. I've been toying around with the idea. It's been floating in my mind. It's actually a really easy swap. It's really cheap. You could actually use the same transmission off the Celica GT, the 5-speed, and mount up the 1MZ to it, so it wouldn't be that much. You could probably make that swap in under $2,000. You can find the shell for $1,000. You can find the motor for like maybe under $1,000, and you have a really torquey car, like light and torquey. So, I got 2 months of summer off. I got some spare cash from selling the Matrix. I did say I was going to turbocharge the Corolla XRS, but that might have to wait a little bit longer. I dipped into the profit from the Matrix, and I'm trying right now to get another car to flip to make more money, because I want to get more income to make more parts. Obviously, the junkyards have been really dry right now, like really dry. The last thing I got was the carbon fiber hood that I'm going to try and repair to trade with another Celica person. She has the OEM style carbon fiber hood, and she wanted my style, I guess it's called Invaders. I don't know what's it called, but I don't like it. It's too aggressive. I'm trying to go after a more OEM look, like what Toyota would have made coming out of the factory. Like that's what I'm trying to go after. That's why I picked the OEM turquoise pearl color, which is what I currently have. So, you know, that's it. The video's going into the 10-minute marker. We're gonna end this video in here. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button for future uploads and raffle videos. Yes. And I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching.